Good morning and good afternoon, scholars. It is Miss Miller here once again with Week 7, Day 5's lesson. Today is not really a lesson, it is just a quick little review based on what you've learned so far this week in science. We've learned about plant parts, what they look like, what they do. We've talked about their different jobs. And so today is pretty much just a work at home kind of day. You're going to be completing 2 pages in your Learning in Place packet, and you're going to be taking a picture of them and sending them to me. I did not realize how much I actually miss grading. I miss seeing your work. I miss seeing what you've learned, and I can't wait to see your pictures. Most of you are doing an excellent job turning them in, and I can't wait to see your work. So let's take a look at what you'll be working on at home in your packet today. You're going to be working on these 2 pages. It's called Sum It Up. And the first part, I'm going to read all the directions so that everything's clear and you know exactly what to do. So the first box, it says label it. So all you're going to do is you're just going to simply label each part. There's an arrow pointing here, here. It's pointing to the long part of the plant. And down here, you can see the third one. You're just going to label the plant parts. So you're just going to write the words pointing to each part. Down here in the second box, it says match it. So what you're going to do is you're going to just draw a line matching the plant part to what it does. So we've got the stem, we have roots, we have a leaf, and then you're just going to draw a line to what it does. This says hold in place. So whatever plant part you see over here, you're going to draw a line from that part to the sentence. And then this sentence says carry water from the roots. So you're going to draw a line from that to the matching part. And then the last one says makes food. So you're going to draw a line from that to the plant part. And then on the second page, scroll up a little bit, it says apply concepts. It says fill in the chart. Write the names of the plant part or what the plant part does. So this chart is missing some important information. It's missing some of the words and it's missing some of the jobs. So right here, this is blank. It says carries water and nutrients from the roots to other plant parts. So you're going to think about what plant part does that. The next one says roots. So what do the roots do? You're going to write it doesn't have to be a complete sentence, just write what do the roots do for the plant. The next one is pollen. What does pollen do? What does it look like? What does it do? And then down here, we're missing another plant part. This says make seeds. So think about what holds the seeds and what plant part makes the seeds, and that will help you fill that in. And then down here, it says take it home. Family members, ask your child to observe plants at home, in a garden, or in your neighborhood. Have your child identify the roots, stem, leaves, and flowers, and describe what each plant part does. So if you're at home, if you have a garden, if you have a plant, even if you have a tree or a bush or whatever you have outside, take a look at it and see if you can identify all 4 parts that we've talked about. Maybe you don't have any flowers, but maybe you have a tree. And you could point out the leaves, the stem, the roots, whatever you want to do, whatever you have at home. Look at it, look out your window, take a look and point out the parts that you see. And talk about what each part does. What do the leaves do? What do the roots do? What does the stem do? That would be awesome. So again, you're going to complete these 2 pages. So we've got this page and this page, and when you're finished, you're going to take a picture of it and you're going to send it to me. And I can't wait to see all of your hard work. I love checking your work. I love commenting on your work. I can say a lot more than I usually can write. So please send me your work. I can't wait to see it. And I will get back to you soon. Bye. Have a great weekend.